Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Erba Mannheim Excel system pack of total bilirubin. So guys, this is the top view and this is the front view of the box, and as you can see all the required details are present here. Let me show you. So you can see this, the catalog number is 120621. It's a total bilirubin kit. You can find the expiry and the manufacturing address. You can find the temperature control and the manufacturing address here. So this is the front and top view. This is the other side. So this is the back side of the kit. So guys, to sum it up, this is the Erba Mannheim Excel system pack of total bilirubin. You can see it here, and you can find the expiry and the manufacturing address here. So thank you.